Namaste. This is MSc second semester class of physical chemistry and topic is Henry's law. In physical chemistry, Henry's law is a gas law and that states that the amount of dissolved gases in a liquid is proportional to its partial pressure above the liquid. The proportionality factor is called Henry's law constant. It was formulated by English chemist William Henry. An example where Henry's law is at play in the depth dependent dissolution of oxygen and nitrogen in the blood of underwater divers are changes during decompressions leading to decompression sickness. An everyday example is given by one's experience with carbonated soft drinks which contain dissolved carbon dioxide. Before opening, the gas above the drink in its container is almost pure carbon dioxide at a pressure higher than atmospheric pressure. After the bottle is opened, this gas escapes, moving the partial pressure of carbon dioxide above the liquid to be much lower, resulting in degassing as a dissolved carbon dioxide comes out of solution. So now we discuss about the applications of Henry's law in the production of carbonated beverages. Under high pressure, solubility of CO2 increases. On opening the bottle, atmospheric pressure, solubility decreases and the gas bubbles are released from the liquid. For climbers or people living at high altitude, concentration of O2 in the blood and tissues is so low that they feel weak and are unable to think properly, a condition called hypoxia. In underwater diving, gas is breathed by the ambient pressure which increases with depth due to the hydrostatic pressure. Solubility of gases increase at depth in accordance with Henry's law. So the body tissues takes on more gas over time until saturated for the depth. When ascending in diver is decompressed and the solubility of gases dissolved in the tissues decreases accordingly. If the supersaturation is too great, bubbles may form and grow, and the presence of these bubbles can cause blockage in capillaries and distortion in the more solid tissues, which may cause damage known as decompression sickness. To avoid this injury, the driver must ascend slow enough that the excess dissolved gases is carried away by the blood and released into the lung gases. So this is about Henry's law and its application. Thank you so much.